Hi guys, welcome to the TheWiscoGuyz here. I got Jared.
Nice to meet everybody.
Jared recently purchased this Ford Focus ST3 model. Pretty much loaded to the gills. We pulled the window sticker on it, and
It's in the glove box in front of you there.
I ain't gonna pull that out, but it's pretty much fully loaded. Sunroof, all that, carbon package, and yeah.
The only thing it doesn't have is a tangerine screen paint.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that you can get.
So this is the top of the line Focus ST you can get. How you liking it so far?
I love it. I got it with 21,000. I just hit 27,000 yesterday. So, and that's in 2 months. So I've been driving it.
As you'll see in this video, he just put on, what was it?
AWE Touring non-resonated with black diamond tips, or diamond black is the way I think they say. I don't know.
How are you liking it?
I love it so far. I put almost 1,000 miles on the exhaust. And it just sounds good. I mean, it's not too loud. I'm cruising right now at about 1,500 RPMs at 40 miles an hour. You can barely hear it, but you know, you shift down and it's there.
Oh yeah. To be honest with you, compared to my resonator deleted one, it's not that much louder in the cabin. Like,
No.
it's weird. Like, and how loud it is on the outside, it is insane. Like, my car is not that loud on the outside, and it's not that loud on the inside, but like this car is, well, I'd say the same decimal right now as my car at 1,500 RPM. So if you're a person that's really cautious, you know, they don't like drone, you know, this is probably be for you. I mean, if you want loud on the outside and full conversation on the inside, like me and him can just sit here and talk all day, and we don't have to yell over anybody or nothing. So it's just, it sounds really good, man. wakes it up when you put your foot into it.
And then right back to 40 and quiet. Yeah, it's one thing they advertise on AWE's website. It's the hot hatch tone with no drone, and there is absolutely zero drone. It's a lot louder. I had an MBRP. It is louder in the cabin, but there is no drone compared to the MBRP. And actually, I got rid of it just because it drone too much for my liking.
So I just drove it. It's nice. It's really nice.
Almost like your 17 ST.
Yeah, but yeah, we'll close out the video there. Thanks for watching, guys. Definitely subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below. Thanks, Jared, for letting me video your car and drive it. And
We'll be back sometime with something new.
oh yeah, for sure. We'll get something on here, but
Nothing's staying stock, that's for sure.
alrighty. Well, thanks, Jared.
Yeah. See you guys.
Bye.
There's one.
Oh, killed them.
Got them all. Sorry, guys. It's too cold for them.
Yeah.
They can't fly.
Ugh. That's not good.